Adding custom base maps. In this tutorial video, you will learn to add custom base maps. When you click the Custom Maps option from the Base Maps menu in the left menu, there are different types of maps in the Satellite Maps in the panel that appears. It can be added to the map by pressing the Use button under the map we want to add to the map. Also, the added layer is listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.